You started a blockchain club at Cornell. Can you talk about why you decided to do that and what the impacts were on future generations of students?
Yeah, absolutely. I have always kind of been interested in finance and tech. I didn't know if I wanted to work per se yet in hospitality, so I thought I wanted to go more the traditional where every Cornellian takes is the more financial route. And while I was there, I lived on the same floor as one of my really close friends, and he was mining Bitcoin at the time. And that's kind of this was in 2016. And so 2015, 2016, that's when I kind of learned about it and I wanted to be a part of like the forefront runner. I think being at Cornell was very fortunate because they have a PhD and professor kind of organization called IC3. And that's where Avalanche's Emin Gunsier and Kevin and Signicki and all those guys kind of came out of. And so there was no undergraduate quite club yet. Me and the co-founder were both hoteliers, funny enough. And so we were like, hey, we aren't tech people at all, but this is obviously a tech product. We need to learn from, people that understand a bit more on the technical aspect of things. So let's create a club here and for the undergraduates, and we can teach them about like finance and the investing side of things that we see, and they can teach us about the tech and how we should look into what blockchain is more interesting than others, et cetera. So that's kind of the start of it and why we decided to build it and start this club. It's been great. I ran the first Cornell Blockchain Conference in New York City my senior year. It had 250 people, and now I think they've increased to 400, 500 people each year. So they just had it, I think, last weekend. So in New York City, I was unable to attend this year, but I typically try to make it out each year. So it's really great. I still advise them. It's really great to see we've had women presidents. And so yeah, it's just been awesome to see it grow and the club still flourish even after so many years post college for me.
It's wonderful and inspiring and amazing that you've done that.